Okay, try the Warhead. Put it in your mouth all the way and suck on it. Try it.
I don't love it.
You don't love it?
No.
If you try it, if you get through the sour part, it's sweet. It gets yummy. Try it.
I want to try the sweet ones.
Yeah, but you gotta get through the sour part. Put it in your mouth, and then if you get rid of that, suck on it, and then you'll get sweet. Okay, go ahead. 3, 2, 1, go.
I don't want to.
Try it. They're sour, huh? Try one more time. Put it in your mouth. No.
I don't love it. Do you have to sell Japanese candies?
No, I don't have sour Japanese candies. And Warheads are a failure. Try it.
I don't like it.
Yeah, they're sour.
Yeah, I don't like it.